is going to be the infamous half up, half down. Or is it going to be a bun? It's going to be a half up, half down. Okay, from the half up, half down. Oops, sorry. You're going to take the hair in the ponytail and you're going to flip it into your face. It depends on how much hair you want hanging down. Just bun it. So this is the half up, half down bun. It might look cuter if your locks aren't as thick as mine. them messy. Some people might not like to wear them messy, but it's really up to you. But this hair I have in my head is by Xtrend off of Amazon. It's 12 inches, and I'm pretty sure this is the color number 30. And this is what the packaging looks like. It comes with about, I would say like 15 to 18 single crochet things. And this is one of them. So it's very easy to, well, my hands are slipping. It's very easy to pull apart. You just have to take your time so that you won't get the hair too frizzy, especially if you're trying to make butterfly locks. So just keep that in mind. But as you can see, I'm not getting any tangling. I just have to take my time because this hair is really put together. I don't got the patience. But this is the hair. So I got these cute headbands from the Xtrend hair store. It's like a 6-pack. So I will link those below as well. Super cute for locks, braids, anything. So yeah, love the hair. I hope you guys enjoyed the style, and I will see y'all next week. If you need a tutorial on how to do butterfly locks, I have one on my channel. I will also link it below, and I'll see y'all when I see y'all.